This family always eat good food, cooked, warm, and fresh. You know, because mommy likes to cook, mommy likes to bake. So this is our dinner for today. This is a potato salad. This is so yummy, guys. Try this potato salad. And we have a grilled chicken. It's easy to grill. I have a skillet. And it's nice if you have grilled chicken because the following day, if you still have leftover, then you can just add your chicken to your salad. That's simple. You have salad and you have chicken too. So since mommy likes to bake, for today's dessert we have this very yummy scones, daddy's favorite. So chicken na naman tayo. My goodness, chicken, but I'm not tired eating chicken, nor my husband or my kids, guys. We love chicken. Gusto namin yung adobo chicken, but tonight we are going to grill this chicken. But before that, ating i-marinate muna ang ating chicken. So, ayan. I-dry muna natin siya. And then, hihiwain pala natin ito. I like hiwain siya, guys, para ma-absorb yung mga ingredients sa chicken natin. So, we are going to cut this chicken. 2 cuts lang siya para maluto siya or it's easy to cook sa ating chicken na cut siya. And then, we are going to add our ingredients to marinate our chicken. We have her garlic salt, rosemary, black pepper, and olive oil. Meron pala akong lime. So, we are going to add lime too. Ayan. Kompleto na ang ating marinating ingredients. And ilagay natin siya back to our refrigerator for 30 minutes before you're going to cook that. Pero, if you're not ready to cook yet because you prepare your chicken earlier, ang gagawin mo is just leave it there. The more longer na mamarinate yung chicken, the more yummy ang ating chicken and moist siya. Ayan. Yan ang sikreto sa chicken. So, we will add 1 tablespoon maybe of our rosemary. Yes, just 1 tablespoon. If you add more, guys, maybe 1.5 or 2 tablespoons. It's up to you. I only got 3 chicken here, so tamang-tama 1 tablespoon lang ang ating rosemary na i-mix natin. And then a dash of our black pepper. I like a lot of black pepper, guys. So it's up to you if you add more black pepper or not. Dahil yung iba ayaw nila ng black pepper din, di ba? Ayan, then we will add olive oil sa ating chicken. Ito si black pepper. Lagyan natin sa likod ng ating chicken. We will add maybe 2 tablespoons of olive oil. Ayan. I-soak mo siya. Just keep on turning your chicken and then add your olive oil. Ay, naubos na pala ito. Last na yata itong olive oil ko. I still have 1 big olive oil. So, ayan. Ubusin muna natin itong olive oil dahil meron pa naman. Just keep on turning and mixing it para talagang mag-absorb ang ating marinade. Then, leave it to your refrigerator for 30 minutes. I like to add lime or lemon to my chicken. If I marinate, guys, it's nice to add lime or lemon, whatever, you know, that makes it more tastier. My goodness, we ordered broccolini for tonight, but the store didn't give us our broccolini. I'm glad I have here 3 large potatoes that I can make into a delicious potato salad. Yeah. For our dressing, we have here mustard, and I will add a little bit of honey mustard. And of course, our potato will not be potato salad without mayonnaise. Yes, real mayo. And 1/4 of a relish. But if you have a lot of relish, guys, add 1/2 cup of relish. That makes it more yummy, you know. A little bit of soury taste of it, and a little bit of sweet. And don't forget your pepper. So that's it. No salt, no sugar. That's all you need. So we're going to mix this. I can't wait to taste this, guys. This is really good. So for our yellow mustard, we're going to add 1/2 cup. Oh, what happened to this one? It will not come out. You need to shake it, shake it, shake it. In our mayonnaise, guys, I add maybe 1/2 of mayonnaise. And to our honey mustard, maybe 2 to 3 tablespoons of honey mustard. So that makes it so yummy. Add a dash of black pepper to your salad too. And that's it. Your salad is complete, and now we're going to mix this. Our dinner is almost ready. Oh my goodness, this looks so good and yummy. Dinner is already done. I already finished grilling my chicken. That is so moist chicken, guys, and it's tasty. I can smell the taste of that. And I have here a potato salad. Oh, this is so yummy. I need 2 cups. 2 cups, or maybe 1.5 cups for this. Okay. Dinner is ready. For our salad, as usual, I have here a lettuce and tomatoes. That's always present in my salad, guys. I don't have cucumber. I'm running out of cucumber, so you'll just add this walnut. Maybe 5 pieces of walnuts. And I still like to add chicken to my salad. I have artichoke hearts, guys, so why not add artichoke hearts to our salad? We didn't have cucumbers, so we have artichoke hearts instead. As usual, guys, my favorite dressing is NEWMAN's Balsamic Vinaigrette. Yeah, this time it's light. Sometimes I use the regular one. I always have stock of this dressing, guys, in my pantry because, you know, sometimes during lockdown we cannot just easily go to the store and grab one or order online. Sometimes they don't even give us the right brand. I have here feta cheese. I will just sprinkle our cheese on top of our salad. Wow, that looks pretty. So this is my very late lunch. It's almost 3 o'clock, but early for dinner. I have this potato salad with grilled chicken. Oh, this potato salad. This potato salad is so yummy. If you make potato salad, you add celery and onion, not just egg. Celery and onion, you will have a very, very tasty salad. For my dressing, guys, I add mayonnaise, mustard, and sweet mustard. A little bit of sweet mustard, maybe 2 tablespoons, but more on mayonnaise and more on mustard. This is so yummy. My orange is so sweet. This is what I made for my orange scones. It's so sweet. I mixed my orange slices with a slice of strawberries. My husband loves my scones. For the description of this recipe, especially my yummy scones, orange scones, you can just click to the description here and you will find the recipe, all the ingredients of that one. And for our potato salad, which is, oh, you have to try making potato salad, guys, because my potato salad is the best. And for my leafy salad, veggie salad here with chicken, it is very heavy, guys, but I don't want to eat that one. Oh, but I just show you how I make my salad, my dessert, and my dinner. Okay, switch again.